Everyone can succeed in affiliate marketing with determination and this advice. You've created a website and an online business, so it's time to work on the affiliate marketing aspect. You probably have lots of questions on how to start and what to do, but don't worry, this video can assist you. Listed below are some tips that will help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. A great affiliate marketing tip is to provide your real name and a working email address to your visitors and customers. Providing your name and email address will make you look credible, and you want to look as credible as possible in order to gain the trust of your visitors. You should make sure that you do some research about sites you are thinking about linking with, before agreeing to link. There are some websites that may have some similarities to yours but have a horrible reputation. You do not want to link yourself with a site that has a bad reputation or poor reviews. Now you should be much more prepared when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you thought that you were ready before, well, you should now be very ready now. The tips that were given should have provided you some advice that can help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.